There's one drink that has been cooling people down for centuries, lassi. But did you know this traditional Indian yogurt drink isn't just refreshing? It's really good for your health too. So today we're diving into 5 health benefits of drinking lassi every single day. Number 1. Boost digestion. Lassi is packed with probiotics or good bacteria that help balance your digestive system. These little guys keep your gut flora healthy, reducing bloating, and help you process food more efficiently. Having lassi after a meal can prevent that heavy, sluggish feeling. Number 2. Strengthens immunity. A healthy gut leads to a stronger immune system. Lassi helps your body build resilience against infections thanks to the natural lactic acid and immune-boosting nutrients like vitamin D. So yes, that glass of lassi might be helping you fight off more than just the heat. Number 3. Keeps you hydrated. Feeling drained in the summer? Lassi is your natural electrolyte drink. It's hydrating, replenishes salts, and keeps you cool, especially if you've been sweating it out in the sun. Add a pinch of salt or spices like cumin and you've got yourself a traditional balanced cooling drink. Number 4. Supports bone health. Lassi is a calcium powerhouse. Thanks to its yogurt base, it's full of calcium, phosphorus and vitamin D, which are essential for strong bones and teeth. Drinking it regularly can help prevent bone loss and keep your joints strong, especially as you age. Number 5. Helps with weight management. Trying to manage your weight? Lassi might help. It's high in protein, which keeps you fuller for longer, and it's low in bad fats, especially if you use low-fat yogurt. Plus, its natural sweetness means you're less likely to crave sugary sodas or snacks. So if you're new to lassi, try a simple salted version or a sweet mango one. And if you already love it, now you've got 5 more reasons to sip it every day. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to Times Foodie.